Everyone, it's Megan here from the Social Sales Girls. Thanks for checking in with me on this week's Tech Tuesday. This week I just want to show you how to take your customer email list and create a custom audience from it in Facebook, and then actually go a step further and create a lookalike audience from that custom audience. It sounds kind of complicated, but it's really easy. The first thing you need to do is just export your contacts from whatever mail provider you're using, whether you're using MailChimp or Constant Contact or Aweber. So just export them into a CSV file, and all you need in that file is the emails, just a column with the emails. And after you've done that, you need to go to your Facebook page. So you can see we're on WeSqueaks here. And we're just going to go like we normally would to Ads Manager. And we're just going to make sure we're in the right account. And you want to go down here and click Audiences. You can see we have quite a few. You might not have any yet, but that's okay because we're going to get one today. So over on the right hand corner here, you want to create audience and you want to create custom audience. So we want to upload our customer list, which is the email list that I mentioned to you. So I have quite a few, so I'm going to upload a file, but I guess you can also copy and paste it, and if you're a MailChimp user, you can import it directly from MailChimp, which is very cool. So we just have emails, and I'm going to upload file here. And I agree to the terms, and I want to create my audience. Mine might take a bit, so I might have to fast forward for you. Okay, I'm just going to name it New Website Emails, because we've collected these all through customers or lead pages. They're all WeSqueak. So now our audience is complete, and you can go ahead and create an ad using the audience. You can do that at any time, but I want to actually expand my audience. So when you click expand, it means it's going to create a lookalike audience. So we're going to choose United States. And you can see that this is the size range. Description at the bottom that has to do with the size of the audience, and you can drag that little toggle back and forth to make it bigger or smaller, but basically the bigger you make it, the less close to your target it's going to be, so I suggest just leaving it at the end where it is. And you're just going to go ahead and create audience. Now I find that creating a lookalike audience takes a really long time because it's going to be at least 1 million, probably more, just depending on what country you're targeting. So you're probably going to have to walk away from that one and just check in on it later. When it is ready, it'll say ready over here. But you can see that our custom audience, our new website one that we just created, it is ready. So it's not going to be the same size as the list that you put in, because the list that you put in is the emails that they have bought with or they have signed up with, and they have to actually be using those exact same emails on Facebook, so it kind of matches them together. So there's going to be a lot that are going to be thrown away because they don't match, because they don't use that email on Facebook, which kind of sucks, but there's nothing you can do about it. So I just want to show you one other way to create a lookalike audience. So if we had just put in our website email list in here and not gone forward, you can also just go over to create audience and create lookalike audience, and then you would just select which one of your pre-made audiences you want to create a lookalike audience off of, because you can do it off of anything. So it's a great audience to target when you're doing something like a boost or a like ad, because they're going to be people who are similar to the people that like your page or have bought from you now. So they're going to already have a bit of an interest in your product, which is great. I hope it wasn't too confusing for you. If you have any questions, just let me know and I can definitely help you out. Thanks for checking in with me, and I'll see you next week. Bye, guys!